Hey guys, I'm back. Okay, so there's a lot of pause, and I know that this is like the whole what happened, why did I like disappear, and for a while that I kind of disappeared, yeah, but all in that will come in the next few videos. But yeah, I'm kind of back to YouTube, and I just really want to start it up again, and however I'm going to do it, I'm not sure yet, but I am going to try my best to improve this. But right now, I really want to see this kind of bag. Well, it is a bag, and I really wanted to review it, so I checked one. I ordered only one first for it because I'm not really sure if it's really a good kind of deal. And yeah, here is it. Here's the package, and yeah, this actually arrived a few days ago, I guess. And I'm really curious, but this is actually not for me. It's for someone else. But yeah, if it all goes well, then yes, I will give it to someone. But if it doesn't, then I won't. This shop is really crazy because the prices are really affordable. Now, and you know me, so far in the past couple of videos that I had with different bags, I actually wanted to target showing you guys different dupes for different bags. But this one just really caught my eye on the whole casual thing. So, here it is. So yes, it's an orange bag. This shop is from Boston, if I'm not mistaken. So I chose an orange one. Yes, I know it's shocking, but if I wanted to review something like this and there's a unique color option, then yeah, I would have gotten it. So I chose this, and this is from, oh, there's a cute thank you there, Boston. So that's the shop, and I will link it down below. For now, let's review it first. So here it is. There's a nice tag on it, and yeah, this is actually really nice. I mean, for a small bag, it is a small bag, and honestly, it's a great quality for the price. Now, I don't wanna shock you with the price, but this is actually less than 500 pesos. Yes, it's less than 500, but trust me, the belt buckle is so nice quality. I'm not gonna remove this part, the strap on it, because I'm surely gonna give this to someone special. Now, this one reminds me of that person actually. So yeah, I wanted to get this for that person because I think that person needs this bag. So when I saw it, I wanted to review it. So if it doesn't work out, I'll keep it. So there's a pouch at the back. There's one pouch there. So it's pretty good. The zipper is really nice as well. Look at the detail of the zipper. It's actually a nice detail. And then a zipper here. And the zipper is monochrome. The color is monochrome, and I love it. It's a nice bright color. And I think this is waterproof for the design. And so here it is. There's 2 silica gels inside. And here it is. There's 2 net pouch here, and then 1 net pouch here. I think this will be helpful for that person because that person is very minimal on the whole design thing and the whole accessory. So I think this person will really like this. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna give this on the birthday or Christmas gift, but yeah, I'm kind of excited. I know it's too early for Christmas, but I really had to check it out and want more to, especially right now while there's still stock. I want you to get this for someone. I mean, someone who likes utilities. It's going to be helpful for them. So here it is. So that is all for right now. I know it's just busy, and I know this video is really quick, but I plan quick videos of bags, like maybe single bags for one video. I don't know, but maybe I also will put additional ones. But for now, I really want to give you guys options of different kind of bags. And I'm kind of on the whole bag love fast again. And yeah, here I'm fixing on different kind of backgrounds. Let me know if I can improve in the background or if you want me to change it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh, don't forget to like and subscribe. Click the bell down below. I'll see you. Bye!